Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is an introduction video of the channel that is understanding Vedic philosophy. Well, Vedic philosophy is a very big picture, cannot cover in just in one line or in few videos. It's a lifelong journey. Yes, it takes a complete life to understand what this philosophy has to teach. Now, I'm not going to start directly what the Vedic philosophy talks about the soul, it talks about the God, as everyone might be thinking that Ved means something directly related to God or soul, but it do talks about the matter. Yes, the science that we are studying today is talking about the matter, and the Vedic philosophy also talks about the matter but not in the way the modern science teaches. So, first we have to understand what is the matter taught by this philosophy, and then we'll proceed towards the soul, towards the God. So, currently, most of the people think today that science and religion cannot be discussed on the same platform. Religion is something in private, and science is for something in public, and these two cannot meet. But let me tell you that Vedic philosophy is a science. And yes, this science can be proved rationally, logically, empirically. And Vedic philosophy is not about Hinduism. It is about everything. It do talks about the matter. Yes, and then it talks about the soul. It talks about the God. But we have to understand what is the perspective of matter in this philosophy. Well, to start with this, one has to understand that there are many small concepts, many basic concepts that has to be understood, that has to be digested. Many new ideas will be presented. And yes, I want to say that Vedic philosophy presents many layers of truth. There is no one single finality because people come thinking that there is going to be some finality, there is going to be some supreme part, final part. But there are many rungs. There is a ladder. Of course, there is the highest rung in the ladder, but there are other rungs also that one needs to climb. So, climbing every rung, we are going to reach the supreme truth. Thank you. So, let's just summarize what we have discussed in this introduction. That is Vedic philosophy, presents science, different from modern science. One need not to carry any religious ideology. To understand this, just keep the mind open for new ideas. A very important point. Many layers of truth will be presented. There is going to be ladder with many rungs, and every rung has to be climbed. Okay. So it's different from the modern science. We are going to study many new ideas. And then there is going to be many rounds. Okay. So let's start with the next video. Thank you for Thank you.